Zoya and I am 12. And today my cooking partner is my granny.
Hi, I am Sana Sheikh.
1 cup maida, approximately 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 spoon oil, 3/4 cup spinach puree. It's blanched. 1 spoon green chutney. It has coriander, chili and garlic. We have kept water for boiling on medium flame. Out of the puree, without adding any water, we have made the dough.
And salt.
Add a few drops of oil and salt. We have separated the dough in small pieces like this, dusting it in wheat flour, rolling it into a small puri-like shape. We have these ready. We'll fry it in the water we boiled. When it's floating upside, it means it's ready. Put it immediately into the ice cold water. अब हम बनाएंगे white sauce. Roast maida, okay? Add milk. After dissolving all lumps, we are adding in butter. Black pepper powder, add it. Added cheese. Take a pan and brush up some oil.
चटनी एंड पालक प्यूरी का लेयर करें.
Adding white sauce.
इसके ऊपर दूसरी ऐसे. Okay.
White sauce. Cooked tomato puree. Add cheese. Added chopped and diced bell peppers.
3.
Butter. We have to cook for around 15 to 20 minutes. To complement the dish, my granny has fried a potato spiral. Mama, taste it.
Yummy.
You liked it?